teacher's bell. We're learning rings a bell.
Good day, everyone! Welcome to Science 3 Revised K-12 Curriculum, Quarter 4, Week 2, Day 1. Clay, a useful natural non-living material. Learning objective. By the end of the lesson, learners should be able to identify a useful thing that people have made from a non-living material, which is the clay. Describe a non-living material, which is the clay, that is used to make useful things. Do you know what is this? Have you seen a clay pot or clay plate at home? What do people use it for? Is clay living or non-living? Today, we will learn about clay, a non-living material, and how people use it to make useful things like pots, plates, and jars. Lesson Language Practice. Unlock difficulties in understanding the following terms and concepts. Our first word is clay. C-L-A-Y. Clay. It is a type of soil. It is a soft, natural, non-living material found in the ground. Can you describe the clay below? Yes, the clay is brown in color. The clay is wet. The clay looks sticky. Our second word is useful. Useful. U-S-E-F-U-L. Useful. Something that helps people in daily life. Lesson Language Practice. Repeat the sentence after me. Okay, are you ready? Clay is a non-living material. Repeat the sentence. People use clay to make useful things. Repeat the sentence. Clay can be shaped when it is wet. Repeat the sentence. Alright, key idea. Clay is a non-living material found in the ground. When clay is wet, it is soft and easy to shape. People use clay to make useful things like pots, plates, jars, and toys. Activity 1. The journey of clay to pottery. So direction. Look at the picture and describe the steps in the pottery by completing the sentence. Are you ready? Okay. Step 1. The clay is molded into a blank. The answer is shape. The clay is molded into a shape. Step 1 is shaping. It allows the clay to be molded into different shapes. Step 2. The clay is left to blank under the answer is dry. The clay is left to dry under the sun. Step 2 is drying. It removes moisture from the molded clay. Step 3. The clay is heated in a blank. The answer is fire. The clay is heated in a fire. Step 3 is firing. The dried clay is baked in a very hot oven called a kiln. This hardens the clay and makes it strong. Step 4. The pots are left to blank. The answer is cool. Yes, the pots are left to cool. Step 4 is cooling. After firing, the pottery is left to cool down. Once cool, it is ready for use. Deepening understanding of the key idea. What is the material used in making pottery? Yes, clay is the raw material used in making pottery. What are the steps to make pottery? Okay, steps in making pottery. Step 1 is shaping. Step 2 is drying. Step 3, firing. Step 4, cooling. Again, step 1 is shaping. Step 2, drying. Step 3, firing. Step 4, cooling. How do we use pottery in our daily lives? So pottery such as pots and pans can be used for cooking. Pottery such as jars and vases for storing things. Pottery such as figurines and jars as home decorations. Clay can be molded into different shapes, sizes, and textures. Other things that can be also made from clay are bricks and tiles. Bricks are strong blocks that may be used for building houses or for making roads and pathways. Tiles, on the other hand, are flat pieces of material designed for construction. They are used to create smooth and easy to clean floors or walls. Generalizations. Clay is a non-living material which is a type of soil. 2. The steps for making pottery using clay are shaping, drying, firing, and cooling. 3. Clay need to go through processes or steps in order to become useful things. Evaluating learning. True or false? Are you ready? Okay. 1. Clay can be used to make bricks and tiles. True or false? The answer is true. raw material for making pottery. True or false? The answer is true. 3. The first step in making pottery is drying. True or false? The answer is false. 4. The last step in making pottery is shaping. True or false? The answer is false. 5. Drying removes moisture from clay. True or false? The answer is true. Good job, kids. Great job.
Teacher's bell. We're learning. Rings a bell.